Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install the ThemePack app. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this easy step. So first of all, you can use your Google search bar if you are an Android user, and if you're an Android user, you can directly go to the Google Play Store or you can directly go to the Apple Store as well. And from here, you have to open the Google search bar. Right here, you have to search for the app. So here is ThemePack app. From here you have to click on the first, and from here you can see the theme pack. From here you can click on the install button. It will automatically download and install the app and you can use it. So by this way you can download and install the ThemePack app, and it's a very easy process. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.